What's going on, guys? And today I'm going to show you how to put this ECS silicone radiator hoses on my turbo E36. And the reason why I got these is I got them for a good deal. I paid about 30 bucks with shipping from a buddy of mine on a Facebook group that I'm a member of. And I figured since I'm going turbo and this is strictly a track car, well, a drift car, and just so it doesn't blow up, well, the factory hoses don't blow up in the track, might as well replace them since I got them for such a good deal, so stay tuned. So obviously the first thing you gotta do is drain the old coolant out of the system, or the radiator that. Just get yourself one of these and put it in the bottom of the car, well, on the bottom of the radiator. And since this is a Mishimoto radiator, you're gonna need a 19mm socket. And I'll show you the bolt for the drain. It's right here. This one. Put your socket on, unscrew it, wait for all the liquid to come out, and close it back up and move on to the next step. So these are the hoses that we're gonna be replacing with the silicone ones. This is the upper radiator hose. Just two clamps, one here and one here. And the bottom one is on the passenger side, on the bottom of the radiator. Once again, one clamp on the bottom, and one clamp right here by the thermostat housing. You just disconnect these and put the new ones on. As you can see, we got the upper one on. It was a pretty straightforward process. Unscrew the old one on. Make sure you put your clamps on and just put the new one on. Put the clamps back on, tighten it, and move on to the bottom one. Hey guys, so it's been about 20 minutes and I finally got both the hoses on. As you can see, here's the upper one. It's nice and snug. Pretty good fitment, to be honest. No issues whatsoever. The only hard one was the bottom one. As you can see, it's pretty tight in here. And also make sure when you put this on, when you do the hose clamp, make sure it clears the fan. You don't want to be driving, that thing just shatters and makes a hole in your radiator and whatnot. And the only thing that's left to do is pop this open, fill it up with coolant, and you're set to go. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like what you see. Catch you guys later.